Woke up hungry and craving a sandwich? We've got the perfect sandwich fix for you. We're making a double-decker breakfast sandwich. This sandwich is the answer to your cravings. It's very easy to prepare, and let's get started. We've got eggs, we've got sausages, we've got you covered. So let's do a quick prep of our ingredients. We need 1 onion and 1 tomato that have been finely chopped. We also need 4 chicken sausages. Now this is for 4 sandwiches. And for the omelet filling, you need 2 tablespoons of finely minced green chili peppers and 1 onion again. So we're going to add the onion and the green chili pepper to the egg. So I'm using mild green chili peppers here. If you like it spicier, you can use the hotter green peppers. I like to add a tablespoon of water to the egg mixture while beating to make it fluffier. Beat the eggs well, add a little salt to taste. I've got around a tablespoon of butter here, and we're going to heat the pan with the butter. And to this, I've sliced my sausages, and we're going to add that to the pan. We're just going to fry the sausages till they develop a little bit of color. That looks just about right. Set that aside. So next we're going to toast our sandwich bread slices. I've got white bread sandwich slices, and I've got butter in my pan, and we're just going to toast one side of the bread. And for one sandwich you will need 3 slices of bread. Toast the bread until it's golden brown on one side only, and we can set that aside. Now I've got a small pan here to make my omelets. We're going to make mini omelets for the sandwiches. We're just going to divide the egg mixture 4 times to make 4 omelet fillings. So when you make the omelet, one side of the omelet can be a little bit browner than the other. That's fine. Just make sure it's firm on one side before flipping it over. And now we can assemble the sandwich. We're going to place the toasted side down, and on the first slice you're going to add a little bit of the chopped tomato and the chopped onion, topped with the sliced and fried sausages. Add a little coarse grained black pepper on top. That makes it all the more yum. You can add salt if you want, although it's not needed. On the second slice of bread and the third, we're going to add a little bit of mayonnaise over the top, over the second side. So we can top the first bread with one of these slices. And here's the second one. Just spread the mayo. And we're going to add our omelet filling on top. And you can cover the triple decker with this slice. It's really easy to prepare. Let's get started with the next sandwiches. Just repeat the process 3 more times. So for one sandwich, you need basically 1 egg and 1 sausage, and just a little bit of onion and tomato. This recipe is for 4 sandwiches, 4 double-decker breakfast sandwiches. Another quick and yummy recipe for you to try out. I hope you enjoy the quick video recipe. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots of recipes coming, recipes from everywhere, recipes for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.